Practice reading sentences for kinder. Children, read with me. Follow this red pointer. The cat drinks milk. Let's repeat. The cat drinks milk. A dog wags its tail. Let's repeat. A dog wags its tail. The bunny hops fast. The bunny hops fast. Birds sing sweet songs. Let's repeat. Birds sing sweet songs. The fish swims happily. The fish swims happily. A turtle hides in its shell. Let's repeat. A turtle hides in its shell. The cow eats green grass. Let's repeat. The cow eats green grass. A frog jumps in the pond. Let's repeat. A frog jumps in the pond. The elephant sprays water. The elephant sprays water. The lion roars loudly. The lion roars loudly. A horse runs in the field. Let's repeat. A horse runs in the field. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has a long neck. A monkey swings on trees. A monkey swings on trees. Ducks swim in the lake. Ducks swim in the lake. The pig rolls in mud. The pig rolls in mud. A butterfly flies high. A butterfly flies high. The sheep has fluffy wool. Let's repeat. The sheep has fluffy wool. The bear sleeps in winter. The bear sleeps in winter. The kangaroo has a pouch. The kangaroo has a pouch. Good job, children.